Hello, friends. It is still March.
Still March.
Never-ending month.
Right.
Women's History Month. So we are continuing to celebrate ourselves and you guys and all the awesome women out there. So thank you for joining us for happy hour every Sunday. Yeah. 3:30.
Look at you.
Pacific time.
Before you know it, this is going to be the list show.
No. I like to breeze in a little comically.
Yeah. We like it.
So we're going to continue with your fabulous book, Kick-Ass Cocktails Inspired by Iconic Women. I love this whole book.
So
the
fun.
drawings and the artistry in this book are fabulous.
Pretty great.
So I didn't know a whole lot about this gal, Frida Kahlo. I think lots of you know who she is. She's on the cover. She's very famous for her unibrow, but she has done a whole lot more than that. But you know what? I gotta say, more power to her for sporting that, because I don't think
Just rocking it.
I don't think I could do it.
Oh no, this would be
I
that. If
Would
we
it really?
did. Oh yeah, that Italian skin. It's no joke.
I mean,
you have the upside, right?
Yeah.
So you're gonna look youthful.
You have fabulous hair.
Until you're like 80, and then you're a gargoyle.
but then it
so I have
doesn't
that to look
matter
forward
because you're
to.
80.
Right.
Right.
But then all of the
But
facial.
then you'll be like Iris.
That would be
You
wonderful.
could just
I'll
rock
transition.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
You
At
could just-
83, I'll become a fashion icon.
Yes.
That would
That's
be
what's going to happen.
Yes.
All right. So Liz is going to mix today.
I'm gonna do it.
We have, so I have to say, 3 generations, tres generaciones. This is a really good tequila. If you want just a really good sipping tequila, this is a good one. But when something like wine is really good on its own, it's also exceptional when used in mixing. Like you would not use a crappy wine in a marinara sauce.
Right.
Because the flavors are only going to be enhanced.
It'll carry through.
Right, yeah. So why would you do that? You wouldn't. Same thing here. Great tequila on its own, beautiful for mixing. So that's what we're gonna do here. So Frida she became a painter after she was nearly killed by a trolley accident when she was 19. So she picked up a brush to pass the time while she was an invalid. So during her healing, right? Like how many people will transition and wake up and be like, this is what I'm gonna do now because
This is your life. It's
right,
different.
right. Well, that's like the paraplegics and the Paralympics.
Yeah.
One of the guys that plays hockey didn't start playing hockey until he had no more legs. And then he's like, now he's on the Olympic team for playing hockey.
It's incredible.
Right?
Yeah.
Like,
Sometimes it takes like one of those life-changing events
Yep.
to just change the whole thing.
yes.
So we're doing something different with this one. We're making basically a margarita. And I'm gonna read a little bit about that while Liz is shaking it, but let me tell you what this simple syrup is. So one of the things, if you've watched our episodes before, we like to use Demerara simple syrup.
Because they're fancy.
This is true. That's true. Touché.
So we have hibiscus Demerara sugar. So what we did was I brewed hibiscus tea and then used equal parts, half cup hibiscus tea, half cup of Demerara sugar.
So we have hibiscus
I'm just gonna drink
simple
this.
syrup.
I don't need any of this situation.
You just need the hibiscus simple syrup.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
I'm a simple girl. I just need the fancy simple
just
syrup.
need
I can't say the demo
You got it.
syrup.
You
See?
got it, yeah.
I know what I'm talking about.
Okay, so this is going to be, I need the lime from the fridge. Hold please.
Okay. I
So
can do
we're gonna do
guys.
equal parts
Okay.
of simple syrup. There you go, and lime.
Thank you.
So there's that for you. You want to roll that. Which do you want to use? The reamer, which
No.
everybody talks
Nope.
about.
No, I was in that family group text. You people are filthy. What is wrong with you? This is for citrus.
Citrus.
Citrus only.
Only.
Golly.
Or
that one.
okay, so for these limes, I think you're gonna need the whole lime for 1 ounce.
Worth it.
Everybody wants you to use that reamer,
I
right?
am aware. My husband. No.
All right, so our recipe is 1 shot of lime juice. You need a knife, huh? Oh, thank you. 1 shot of lime juice, 2 shots of silver tequila, which we have right here, and then 1 shot of the hibiscus syrup. Yes. I'm excited. Oh, yes. So, no, 1 shot. It's kind of all the same measurements. They just tell you, differently on there.
Yeah. Grant loves these ones. Maybe a la carte will have measured glasses soon.
I don't want to waste.
It's okay. One little
I
drop.
don't want to waste any of the drops, Dana.
I feel that way about the tequila.
That one. Okay.
Yeah. I like the pop that it makes too. That's okay. That's okay.
I'm so sorry. You can edit that out.
We're
You
gonna
can
leave
edit
that.
in.
We're gonna leave that
you
in.
edit in a good popping sound. So I'm like, guys, how great was that popping sound? Like a pro. You said 2?
2 shots. Yes, 2 shots.
Okay.
Yes. Perfect. Look at you. Good job. You measure like I do. Grant, on the other hand, measures.
He just goes for
He
it.
just goes for it. He does. He does a good job, though. Not gonna lie.
I mean, he does okay.
Everybody likes to see you instead. Oh, flip it the other way. The juice is gonna not come out the bottom, so flip it the other way. I know it seems very
It's not
counter.
intuitive.
Yep.
This way?
Yes.
That doesn't.
100%.
I don't like it.
Yeah, that's the way it is. You'll see how much more juice comes out. Ah, yes, and doesn't spray at you as
All right,
much.
fine. Maybe she's right. Maybe she's done this a couple of times.
Maybe just once or twice.
You think both halves?
I do, because I think that was only a 1/2 ounce.
Okay.
Can I read the interesting part?
Please.
It says, through it all, Kahlo was always the life of the party, which I kind of love. She danced and drank until late at night and held her own in tequila drinking challenges against men who were twice her size. So this gal would basically paint and then party it up. I mean,
She's living the life.
who doesn't want to do that?
Yeah, it sounds great.
I like it.
I think she made good life choices.
Yes.
Her traumatic accident.
Right, and so young to have such a traumatic accident.
Right?
Dana's
Like-
gonna shake this one. Let me tell you why.
Well, it's-
a lot of upper arm strength, which I don't have. It's very aggressive. And loud. It's so loud. I tried to do it in the last episode. If you guys watched that one, not as aggressive. And it was so cool. I had to keep pausing to warm up my hands because I'm a total noob at this. And then she does the hand trick, which I also don't do. I'm
I
sharing
don't
all
really-
my dirty laundry.
I don't really know what I'm doing. I've just watched enough bartenders. What does that say about me, though?
Oh, it looks super legit every time.
Well, I like that. That's good. So we're gonna see if we're gonna float the lime, because you can totally do that. Have you ever gotten a cocktail where you have a 1/2 lime floated on top?
Oh,
Like a Moscow Mule will have a 1/2 lime floated on top sometimes.
like a
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it's kind of pretty. I mean, I don't hate that at all.
I do like the contrast of colors.
Right?
It's really pretty.
It's nice to have that little contrast of
I'll
colors.
just cheers.
Oh, this smells great.
Yeah, this is outrageous.
Mmm.
Am I gonna like it?
Yeah, that's really good.
Make a liar out of you. Okay, fine. That's really good.
You taste the hibiscus though.
Yeah, this is.
Like it really comes. My mouth is watering. It's salivating.
Yeah, like the tartness of the
Yeah.
lime comes through,
Mm-hmm.
but then balanced with this delicious situation.
I wasn't sure how much of the hibiscus flavor we were gonna get. It really comes through.
Yeah,
I like
but
this.
this one is top notch.
Mm-hmm.
We make again. Both the boys would like this,
Yes,
which
I
is
agree.
rare to find a drink that both David and Grant would like.
I agree. Do you think Grant would want more hibiscus influence though?
I mean, always more sugar, the better for that one.
I think this is a winner.
Yes.
You should make this one. It's really easy to make the hibiscus tea. Like just steep hibiscus leaves.
Well, and I was just thinking about
Flowers.
making this too. It's like you could use. Oh my goodness! We almost got through the whole thing without a Pomeranian freakout. Here we are.
Not possible.
Not possible.
Not possible.
Not when you have so many Pomeranians.
We don't have that many.
There's a lot.
There, but one's visiting.
I mean, but
Okay.
still.
Yeah, but she half lives.
She does.
Yeah.
She does. This is her place with her people. Thank Thank you so much for
We
hanging
appreciate
out
you.
with us and for
Yes.
the month of March, hanging out with me, letting me invade
Yeah.
your video
Love it.
and the time. I
Anytime.
super appreciate it. And it's always a good time to hang out with Dana and to be here with you guys. So
We love it.
Happy March.
Thank you, guys.
And now it's over.
We-
We did it.
We did it. Yay.
Bye.
Cheers, everybody. We'll see you next time. Ready when you are. Trade spots today.
Trading spots in the bed.
Which is a weird
I
thing.
don't know.
I wish we had bloopers. I don't think I ever have bloopers
No,
for this
you
channel. This channel would be fun to have bloopers.
When we're on. Grant is just the blooper. Like,
Grant is the
ongoing.
blooper.